looking at number 16. Number 16, we have two lines with the y's not isolated. So the first thing we're going to do is isolate the variables. So I'm going to start with the first line. Negative 3 equals negative x minus 1. I'm going to add x to both sides. So we get negative 3 plus x equals negative 1. Here, y is still not isolated, so I multiply or divide both sides by negative 1. So it just means the signs will flip, so that negative 3 becomes a positive 3, and then that positive x becomes a negative x equals y. And if we wanted it to see left or right, y equals 3 minus x. Let's flip it so the x is first. Y equals negative x plus 3. That's our first line. So let's get our second one. The second one says 1 plus 3x plus 1 half y equals 0. So let's write that out. 1 plus 3x plus 1 half y equals 0. I'm going to isolate the y, so I'm going to subtract the y over. So we do that. 1 half y minus 1 half y. So we get 1 plus 3x equals negative 1 half y. So from here, the inverse of division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by negative 1 half. This cancels. So now we distribute this negative 2 to 1 into the 3x. So we get negative 2 minus 6x equals 1. If I want to rearrange this equation so it looks a little bit more like we usually see, y equals negative 6x minus 2. That's our second equation. So from here, let's graph them and see where they intersect. See the first line, up 3, 1, 2, 3. And then our slope says negative x, so it's down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. So this represents our first line. Not perfect, but it's fine, good enough. The other one, we go down 2. And our slope says down 6, right 6, or down 6 yeah, that's right out. It means down 6, right 1. We should do it the other way, which would be up, left, up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. The reason why I did it the other way is because the lines, I didn't have enough room on the bottom. So right here, graph it, pretty steep line. So by the looks of it, our solution here would be negative 1 for. Alright, and that's number 6.